I think forgiveness is about people forgiving each other if they did something wrong. For example, say someone punches another person in the face. They would say sorry so that person can forgive them.
Hey, you're hurt in the tree!
Forgiveness is also going to a confession to tell Jesus you are sorry that you have sinned.
To forgive means kindness, and it means to apologize. Forgiveness is when somebody apologizes for doing something wrong and the person who was hurt or God accepts their apology.
Forgiveness is when a friend forgives you.